They're gone now. Where have they gone?
They've gone from the bushes. And they're really gone now. They won't be something to speed up. They kind of the same fast of the train.
Yeah.
Oh no. I'll just stick my
Okay.
with my name.
Doing the mat here or something like that. It's quite good one.
That was so cool. Give me that mat.
No.
Did that train go on that one?
Had an intruder, haven't we, Harrison?
Yep. It was in the bathroom. It's a caterpillar.
In the bathroom. And we put it on that piece of paper to try and get him to go away, but he's not really going anywhere, is he?
No.
Little caterpillar.
Come on, caterpillar, move. Move your bum. Move your legs.
I think we'll leave him, and then I think he'll probably just go.
No, shall we watch him before he goes?
Well, you can watch him if you want. Move in. Oh, he was moving. He's going the other way. No, go the other way. You don't want to live with us. We're horrible. Go the other way. Stop doing now.
We'll just slide him off, shall I?
Just leave him there, darling. He'll come off. So, we are at the beach today. And this is the beach we're at. And I can't actually remember its name, which is really, really, really shockingly bad, but I'll add it onto the text below. Absolutely beautiful. It was really, really foggy on the way down here, and I was thinking we might have to rethink our plans for today, but the sun is out now, so Harrison is completely hyper and incredibly excited. I have to admit, I'm not a huge fan of the beach, but I love seeing how happy it makes him. So I will put up with the horrible sandy toes. Ugh, hate sandy toes, hate sandy feet, hate sun cream. But I will put up with all of that because he loves it. I do love the sea, by the way. I love the sea, I love the sand. I just don't like kind of sitting on the beach. Here he comes. No, he stopped. He's got his little net down there that we got from Asda, and his little bucket and spade and tools and stuff. That I can't remember where we got that from. Home Bargains, I think, or somewhere like that. So we didn't bring any lunch with us or anything, so we're going to have to go and grab some from the little shop. Some of it's quite deep, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm only going to get over this maybe.
Talk round the other way, darling.
No, I know. Step over.
You walk through it, darling.
My dogs are getting so. You go first. You definitely go first.
Walk round this way, darling. I think you're better off. Don't, because you're. Sorry.
This way, Mummy.
Look, because then you can step over here, look. Oh, and then step over there.
Step in there and step
Yeah.
there. Come on, Mum, again. Left and look and left. This is not how I want to go over it. What?
I don't think it needs you to help it, Pickle.
I'll help you guys get the more.
Come on then. Uh-oh. Careful. Look at you got a sandy bottom. Oh my god, this water is absolutely freezing. Oh my god. That really is cold. Whoa. Careful. Fell in the sea.